Hello everyone and welcome to the channel for all pocket watch lovers. Today I am presenting a truly unusual timepiece, a cylinder watch with a built-in compass integrated right into the movement. This piece also features a fully hand-finished and decorated movement, making it a truly special item. Its soft yellow dial gives it an authentic antique look full of style, perfectly complemented by fabulous blued steel hands. As you can see on the case, it is inscribed chronometer and 22 rubis. However, back then, this type of inscription was very common and did not correspond to the reality of the movement, serving only to make the piece look more valuable. In a market where many could not afford luxury watches but wanted to show off a more expensive model, these practices were frequent. What is your opinion on this? Leave your comment below. I will wind the watch to check how it works and try to set the hands. In the cylinder escapement, the escape will transmit small impulses to a cylinder connected to the balance wheel, allowing it to oscillate regularly. Widely used during the 19th century, it stood out for its simple construction and for making thinner and more elegant watches possible. Despite its advantages, friction between the parts caused wear and reduced precision when compared to more modern mechanisms. Therefore, it ended up being replaced by the Swiss lever escapement, which offered greater reliability and precision. Today it is one of a watchmaker's nightmares, since it is not an easy watch to repair and maintain its precision. If you want to see how the cylinder escapement works, click on the top right corner of the video on that card, and you will find a video about it there. Thank you for watching until the end. I hope you continue to visit the channel and don't forget to subscribe so you don't miss the upcoming videos.